Nested if statements consist of if statements inside if statements. So in this case, we have an integer with a value of 3, and we check if 3 is greater than 1, which is true, and therefore the nested if statement gets checked. So given that 3 is also less than 4, then the code statement is executed, and this string is printed to the screen. Now we have three main types of logical operators that are used with Boolean values, and these are evaluated in the order that they're given. So we have the not operator, the and operator, and the or operator. So here we check if 3 is not equal to 2, which is true, and therefore this string is printed to the screen. And we can also use the not operator with parentheses. So here we check if 3 is equal to 2, which is false, and not false equals true. And therefore the code statement is executed and the string is printed to the screen. So these two if statements are equivalent. And in the next if statement, we use the and operator. So we check if 3 is greater than 1 and 3 is less than 4. So both of these Boolean expressions must evaluate to true, which is the case here, and therefore the code statement is executed and this string is printed to the screen. Now with the or operator, only one of those Boolean expressions must be true. So first this expression is evaluated, and that's true because 3 is greater than 1, and therefore the next Boolean expression does not get evaluated. And this is called short-circuited evaluation. So therefore this code statement is executed and this string is printed to the screen. And in the next if statement, note that the and operator gets evaluated before the or operator. So first we have 3 is not equal to 2, which is true, but 3 is not less than 1, so therefore this is false, and therefore this entire Boolean expression here evaluates the false, and then the or operator is evaluated. So here we have 3 is less than 4, which is true, so false or true gives true, and therefore the code statement is executed and the string is printed to the screen. So in the next if statement, remember that the and operator is evaluated first. So 3 is not equal to 2, which is true, and 3 is less than 4, which is also true. So therefore this expression evaluates the true. And then the or operator gets evaluated, and therefore the string gets printed to the screen. And in the final if statement, the not operator is evaluated first versus the and operator here. So first the expression in the parentheses gets evaluated. So 3 is not less than 1, so this is false. And 3 is not greater than 4, so this is also false. And therefore this entire Boolean expression is false, and not false is true. And given that 3 is equal to 3, this is also true, so true and true is true. And therefore this string is printed to the screen.